This is a Hardinge Quest GT27 SP, equipped with a Fanuc LR Mate 200 IB robotic arm, equipped with a Fanuc 21 ITB CNC Control, features an optional chip removal system. Control has 10 millionths resolution and 10 millionths offsets. Control also features runtime parts counter and B spindle orient designation. This machine is serial number 284 and is cutting straight to less than 1/10 of an inch. This machine is under power and available for live demonstration with 24 hours advance notice, and also is offered with a optional tri-mist freestanding mist collector.